Recon Man, back for another seat repair video and a steering wheel video. And a Jeep Renegade with lots of scratches on it, so we're going to get that repaired up. Got us a Malibu, the driver's seat bolster repair. And the theme to these three cars is all three are black in color. So I'm going to repair them all and then dye them all at the same time. Here we got a Hyundai Tucson. This seat's really worn out as far as the foam pad and stuff. I'm just going to repair the splits and throw some color on it so it looks better and it's not falling apart. Back in a minute. Bringing you back in to check this repair out. What I'm going to do here is put a little heat on, flatten it out so it's level before I add the compound. Adjust the angle here a little bit.